Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides, your ultimate destination for exploring the most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into an icon reborn, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. This modern reinterpretation of a classic legend is here to capture hearts all over again, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this Beetle a standout in the future of mobility. Starting with its design, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle carries forward the unmistakable silhouette that has made it a cultural icon for decades. The signature rounded shape, flared fenders, and compact dimensions are all there, but with a futuristic twist. LED lighting dominates both the front and rear, giving the Beetle a modern, vibrant glow. The front features sleek, adaptive headlights, with a connected light bar running across the grille, while the rear boasts dynamic taillights that flow seamlessly into the bodywork. Aerodynamic efficiency has also been enhanced with subtle tweaks, like retractable door handles and a smoothed-out roofline. To top it all off, the 2026 Beetle comes in a palette of vibrant colors, including metallic blues, pastel yellows, and even a retro-inspired mint green, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, this Beetle is all-electric, embracing Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. It's built on the company's advanced MEB platform, the same architecture used for other electric models in their lineup. Powered by a robust 82 kWh battery, the Beetle delivers an impressive 300 miles of range on a single charge. Dual-motor all-wheel drive is available, offering up to 300 horsepower for spirited acceleration and confident handling. For those who prefer a more relaxed drive, the standard rear-wheel drive setup provides a smooth and efficient ride. Charging is a breeze too. Thanks to 200 kW fast charging capability, you can juice up to 80% of the battery in just 20 minutes. Whether it's zipping through the city or cruising along the highway, the 2026 Beetle is as dynamic as it is eco-friendly. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that beautifully balances retro charm and modern technology. The circular design elements, reminiscent of the original Beetle, make their return, now integrated into a minimalist dashboard. A large floating 15-inch touchscreen serves as the command center for the car, featuring Volkswagen's latest infotainment system with seamless connectivity, voice controls, and over-the-air updates. Behind the wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster displays everything you need with customizable options. Sustainability extends to the materials as well, with upholstery made from recycled fabrics and plant-based leather alternatives. Ambient lighting, available in up to 30 colors, sets the perfect mood for every drive. Plus, the Beetle offers a surprising amount of space, with a foldable rear seat and a front trunk for added storage. One of the most unique features of the 2026 Beetle is its Herbie mode, a nod to the legendary film character. In this playful mode, the car takes on a more interactive personality, displaying dynamic light animations, unique sound effects, and even voice responses to your commands. Herbie mode also tweaks the drive settings to add a bit of extra zip and agility, making every journey feel like a fun adventure. This feature is sure to delight fans of the classic films and newcomers alike, adding a layer of personality that sets the Beetle apart from other EVs. With the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle, the iconic charm of the original meets the demands of the modern world. It's a car that pays homage to its heritage while boldly stepping into the future, offering a blend of timeless design, advanced performance, and innovative features. Whether you're a long-time Beetle enthusiast or someone looking for a stylish and sustainable ride, this car has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Futuristic Rides for more exciting car reviews and insights. See you next time.